Hello guys, so I'm going to be using this pack here. This is called Perfect 10. It's just like a short French tip, and I've already put in on all my other nails, as you can see, and there's one missing, which is the one I'm going to show you. So you see the glue that comes with it? Yeah, throw that away. There's no point using it. So the first thing you're gonna do is try and find the right size for your nail. So just try and see which one fits better. Make sure it's not too wide on the sides or too short. So then you file your nails like so, like that. Make sure there's no sharp edges or anything. And then you push your cuticles down, like the extra skin that is on your nail, just push it down gently. Be very gentle, okay? Just use a cuticle pusher, or you can use one of those wooden sticks as well if you want, and just push the skin down. Okay, any extra skin you can just cut that off with I don't know what you call this, I forgot, but you know what it is, right? You can see it on the video, I hope so. So you just cut the excess of skin that you have there. Okay, so once you're done with that, we're gonna use a buffer and just buff lightly our nails as well around our cuticles. Make sure there's no skin on your nail, because that's gonna ensure they last longer. So a good trick for you to use it is just use a nail primer. This makes your nails drier, like the bed of your nails drier, so it's gonna make the glue stick for longer, or to say like the nails gonna stick better because there's no moisture. And this is what makes it last a long time than usual, so you're gonna make sure it doesn't pop off. So remember, I said to throw away that glue. You can use this kind of glue, like just get any kind of brush on glue. I'm using these ones called Patterns, and I really like this one. It works really well. I can use my nails for like about 4 weeks when I use this, if I take care really well of my hands and everything. So just brush that on. Make sure you don't put it in your skin. Just brush it lightly. You don't need too much. If not, it's gonna just like overflow to the sides. So once you do that, make sure you apply your nail at the angle so there's less chance of bubbles. I'm still trying to master this because it's really hard at times for me to just apply with no bubbles. So I do have a tiny bit of bubbles in some of them, but that's really as well happens a lot when you wear like French tips. If they were like colored ones, would be better. So I'm gonna moisturize my hands with the Pina Colada body butter. Yeah, it's all gone, but I still have enough. Little goes a long way. If you use this before, you know about that. So just gonna moisturize my hands, and then you can go ahead after these, put all your accessories, and with the magic of Instagram or video editing, yeah, you can see it's all done. And that's it. Can you see this? Like an easy manicure, so you can look good for your Zoom meetings, working from home. That's it, guys. Bye. Hope you enjoy this.